All engineering professionals such as planners, surveyors, geologists, D&B engineers, and mining engineers are involved in volume calculations and use this task every day. All of them have different requirements for it. The K-Mine software offers a variety of ways to calculate mining volumes. It could be mined, not mined, blasted, out-of-plan volumes, stockpile, reloading point balance, and many, many others. Let's have a look at the main ones. The first method is volume calculation by a solid. Run the Create Solid command in the Wireframes menu. To start the calculation, you should have the new position, previous position, and boundary lines. You can set the lines by selecting Layers or interactively. After you have created a solid, run the Calculate Solid Volume in the Wireframes menu, and the result will appear instantly. The next method is more specific, as it is based on a block model. To start the calculations, you should have the new position and previous position in the wireframes to be able to limit areas inside the block model. Select a block model and run the Set Properties command in the Edit menu. Then set the required limits and click OK. You will see the part of the block model you need. To start calculating the volume, run the Calculate Volume and Weight of Block Model command in the Block Model menu. In this case, we have already limited a part of the block model, and we just need to select the grouping attribute, so let's group by rock type. Now, the calculation is complete, and you will see the resulting window. This table is based on block model data. Now let's look at another method of volume calculation. Calculate volumes by vertical sections method in the Surveying Volumes and Areas menu. For this method, you need the new position, previous position, boundary, and baseline section line. Select them in the window that appears and click OK. The resulting report is based on each particular section line. You can change the section interval in the settings. As a result, we can see the section lines, the design surface, and the actual surface, which was generated automatically. The backfill volume was also calculated. The next method is similar to the previous one, but with fewer configurations, and is a bit simpler. Run the Calculate Volume Between Surfaces command in the Surveying Volumes and Areas menu. Specify the necessary configurations, and start the calculation process. You can see the result in the table, and it is almost a 100% match with the previous volume calculation method. The last method in this video is the quickest and the simplest one. First, create a line that will represent two crests, one of which is the design position, and the other one is the actual position. Select this line and click F2. This command's name is Calculate Area and Volume of Shape Specified by Lines. Enter the bench height and start the calculation. Choose the method you prefer and enjoy the result.